It's Tom, you remember? And these are Kelly, Maria, Nathan, and Ali. They are Tom's classmates too, like Ben or Mary. They all like different kinds of food. Let's see what their eating habits are. Nathan often has a cup of tea with 2 teaspoonfuls of sugar and a piece of cake for breakfast. He has mashed potatoes with fried fish for lunch. In the evening, his mother makes pasta with cheese. She usually sprinkles some mixed herbs on the top. Kelly usually has 2 fried eggs, a slice of cheese on a slice of brown bread, and a glass of milk for breakfast. At lunchtime, she enjoys a piece of well-done steak with a green salad. She usually adds a pinch of salt to it. She often has dinner in the nearest cafe. She orders steamed vegetables with an omelette and grilled chicken. In the morning, Maria's mother makes some sandwiches with ham. Then she pours hot tea into a funny cup for her daughter. Maria has her breakfast with great pleasure. Maria doesn't like to be overcharged for her meals. Maria doesn't like to overpay for her meals, so she doesn't buy anything in the shop. She has her lunch at the school canteen. She has some soup with a slice of white bread for lunch. It's enough for her as the portions are always huge here. In the evening, she tries not to eat much. She just drinks still water and eats some fruit. Ali likes meat pretty much. Ali likes meat a lot. Meat is his cup of tea, so he has it almost every day. He likes his steak medium or well done, but he doesn't care for rare meat. He always drinks a glass of sparkling water while having a meal. Do you want to know some more information about Tom's friends? Well, Nathan sometimes can be a bad egg. Because of it, he sometimes is in the soup. So you should take what he says with a pinch of salt. Kelly is a really clever student. Even the most difficult test is just a piece of cake for her. But she can't keep her friends' secrets. She's always spilling the beans about other people. That's why her classmates try not to tell her their secrets. Look, Maria has just broke her mobile phone. She's crying. But it's no use crying over spilt milk. The bell is ringing. The lesson is starting. Miss Green, their teacher, says that Ali is the winner of the class cooking contest. He made a traditional dish, shawarma. Do you know how to prepare such a dish? Ali says it's easy. You need 1 lavash, 150 grams of chicken, 150 grams of cheese, 1 sweet pepper, 1 cucumber, 1 small onion, 50 grams of mayonnaise, a pinch of salt and mustard, a pinch of hot pepper, some dill, some butter for frying. First, fry the chicken. Secondly, slice the pepper and cucumber. Peel the onion and chop it up. Grate the cheese. Mix the mayonnaise, dill, hot pepper and mustard and spread it on the lavash. Then put the vegetables, cheese and meat on it too. Fold it over. Melt some butter on the frying pan and fry from both sides. Serve it hot. Now it's grammar time. Let's learn plural only and singular only nouns. In English, there are some words that are used only in the plural. First, they are some kinds of instruments and tools: scissors, pliers, scales. Second, some items of clothing such as shorts, trousers, jeans. Finally, some other words such as goods, means or stairs you must remember. Look at Tom. His new jeans are too big for him. The scissors Kate bought yesterday are really sharp. These are some words that are used only in the singular: news, money, information, furniture, advice, equipment, food, luggage, billiards. The school subjects maths or physics are used in the singular as well. Collective nouns such as police and family are used with a singular verb when they denote a thing as a whole. But sometimes a plural verb is used when it denotes a number of people or its elements. Look, Tom's family is friendly. Look, Kelly's family are arguing with each other.